business with a long-haul detective.
I've been a cop for 20 years. Is that long enough for you?
And you and I both know the statistics for repeat offenders in this city. 67.5% of criminals are back in prison within 3 years.
What do you want from me?
So you might look at what you did to Seth as a kind of public service.
She was my only family. He didn't deserve a chance. He was an animal.
Everybody deserves a chance. There is a better, more efficient way. What do you see? Look! What do you see?
Tell me what you want.